Method statement of pile cap. A pile cap is a thick concrete foundation rest on concrete or timber piles that have been driven into soft or unstable ground to provide a stable foundation. In this video, we will discuss the method statement of pile cap in detail with the help of following section. Number 1. Equipment: excavator, dumpers, batching plant, transit mixers, truck, trailer, welding machine, generator, vibrators, jackhammer, air compressor, crane, dewatering pump. Number 2. Procedure: hash survey. Before commencing excavation, the pile cap area shall be marked on the ground after carrying out survey with reference to control points. After laying of PCC, the layout of the pile cap shall be marked on it with reference to the reference points to facilitate tying of rebar and erection of shuttering. Hash excavation: shoring shall be provided depending upon the stability of the soil found in the area. Shoring shall be done with the help of steel plates and props. Then excavation of soil have to do. Hash removal of pile head. After excavation, the pile head of the piles shall be removed by using pneumatic jackhammers 7 days after casting of pile or manually 3 days after casting of pile. PCC: after leveling the bottom of the bed, PCC of mix M15 or specified in drawing shall be mixed. The concrete shall directly pour through chutes. Reinforcement: fabrication: for fabrication of reinforcement, BBS shall be prepared as per the drawings. Fixing of rebars: the rebars shall be manually fixed into its position, as shown in the good for construction drawing. After fixing the pile cap rebar, pier or column shaft rebar shall be erected. Shuttering: after completing the fixing of rebar cage, shuttering shall be erected and fixed on the layout drawn on PCC. Before fixing, the shuttering area shall be cleaned with wire brush and approved shuttering oil shall be applied on concrete face. Proper side supports, bracings, tie bars shall be provided to resist lateral pressure of green concrete during pouring. Concreting: the required grade concrete shall be produced as per the approved concrete design mix from the centralized batching plant and transported by transit mixers to the pouring location. Before pouring concrete, slump have to check. The concrete shall be placed by concrete pump, placer boom, or by direct chutes. Concrete placing commences from one end to another in cascading manner till completion. The drop height of the concrete should not be more than 1.5 meters. The concrete shall be vibrated using needle vibrators. Curing: the concrete shall be cured by ponding method or using curing compound. The top of the pile cap shall be covered with polythene, laid, and then tarpaulin till backfilling is started. Backfilling: after deshuttering, concrete surface shall be checked jointly and get the approval for backfilling.